How to delete Instagram chat from both sides. Hi everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you delete or unsend your Instagram chat from both sides. First of all, open your Instagram application, then go to your chat on top right corner, open the chat you want to delete, and just long press the message you want to delete and click unsend. This will delete your text message from both sides. Another way is go to any chat from where you want to delete your message, click on their username, then go to three horizontal dots and click on report. If you have ever received any abusive messages, then you can simply report this account and Instagram will delete your entire chat from both the sides. So just click on bullying or harassment and that's it. It's been reported and now there will be no trace of any messages. It's as if they were never sent. So this is how you can delete your Instagram chat from both sides. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.